Hello, I'm Apica, your virtual assistant to the port of Antwerp. Let me guide you to the port of the future. Here we stand in one of the first docks where we can see the story of Antwerp unfold. A story of courage, of go-getters, a story of trade and ambition, embarking upon a journey to the far-flung corners of the globe. Docked so many generations ago, the first ships unlocked exciting worlds and new opportunities. To the steady rhythm of the currents, the port of Antwerp stretched further along the shore, growing steadily into one of the world's biggest ports, allowing the world to sail into the heart of Europe, a vast industrial and chemical hub, bringing the world to your front door, safely, smoothly. Now we enter extraordinary times, with endless possibilities, to make the world a connected place, a place where technology meets people, where logistics meets sustainability, and where innovation meets nature. We see new ways, harnessing the power of currents and tides, and our precious seas, and exploring the new oceans of data. We set sail for tomorrow, ahead of the current, courageous and ambitious as centuries before. Ideas linked together to create a network, a common digital nervous system that connects machines, buildings, ships, the environment, and people. That brings the port together. We adapt. Together we develop and transform the port of Antwerp into a smart, efficient, and sustainable port, a community ready for the next century of trade. Welcome to the port of the future. Welcome to the port of Antwerp.